Gachagua from Kirinyaga, a very young girl who is a member of parliament and the women rep for Kirinyaga, come and say jambo. And she is single, so vijana muangalie vizuri.
Your Excellency, na students wa Pwani University, mko salama? Good afternoon. My name is Njeri Maina, the county MP. I'm a woman rep, Kirinyaga County. And I just want to be very short in my analogy. I graduated from the University of Nairobi around 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, I was seated where you're seated, a student at the University of Nairobi. Top of my class in law school. I just want to inspire you. We are here so that we can share, so that you can feel inspired and know that young people can lead and can lead well. Top of my law school, got admitted, and then I decided to look for a job. 2 months down the line, I figured the 8 to 5 p.m. wasn't my kind of thing. So I quit. Started my own small law firm. 90% of the clients that I took were pro bono, I'm free. So I would work for free so that I can earn my time in practice and learn how to be a great lawyer. 1 year down the line, after opening my small law firm, comes 2022, I decided that I want to vie for Kirinyaga woman representative. And you know, in life you have challenges. Someone that I looked up to told me, you will get maybe 1,000 votes. And it's going to be very embarrassing for you because siasa ya Kenya ni pesa. And young people hawana pesa, ama ni aje? And I decided, well, let me try. So I told my then mentor, watch this space. I did not only get elected, I got elected with 70% of all the registered voters of Kirinyaga County. And life, like I've said, has challenges. During the elections, 2 weeks to UDA nominations, I lost my father through a tragic road accident. I was very close to my dad. So for me, I just wanted to take time and just go rest. But I knew that party elections are coming up. If I am not on the ground asking for the votes, I will lose the seat. Young people, you have time. But time is it is an illusion. It is there and it is not there. You're 20 today. 10 years from now, you'll be 30. Another 10 years, you'll be 40. What will you do with your time? And time, like they say, waits for no man or woman. So even as you're trying to figure things out, remember that time is not going to wait for you to put things in order. When you get a window of opportunity, and I saw a window of opportunity in 2022, you must ensure that you take total and full advantage of the same so that you can make a future for yourself and make your parents proud. After elections, nikaenda bunge. You know I'm young. How old do I look? 20? 27.